Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love a good hot dog, but I like them doctored up. And something else I really love is chili. So combine chili with a hot dog, you get these wonderful chili dogs. They're absolutely delicious. You're gonna love them, so let me walk you through it and let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to kick things off here with half a kilo of lean ground beef, and I'm just going to break this up and brown it. If you're not sure, half a kilo is about a pound. Now, even though this is lean, you might want to drain it a little bit because you're going to get some fat off this, but the fat's okay. After about 4 or 5 minutes, we browned up here, and I'm going to add in, I'd say about 1/4 of a red onion. You can use the onion of your choice. I just like red because it adds that nice sweetness. 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And I'm just going to saute this until that beautiful fragrance fills the air. Okay, after the onions are fairly translucent, that wonderful flavor of the smell of the garlic is in the air. I'm going to add in some salt and continue to spice it up with some pepper. And the star of the show, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 540 milliliters of red kidney beans, and these are drained, and 540 milliliters of diced tomatoes. And I haven't drained these. Let's get them all here, and then I'm just going to stir this up until everything is well combined. This smells incredible. I'm just going to lower the heat a little bit and let this simmer for 13 to 15 minutes. After simmering for about 15 minutes, it's done, and this just smells incredible. So I'm going to kill the heat and set it aside and let it cool down a little bit. While the chili is cooling down a little bit, I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan, place our hot dogs in, and of course you're going to rotate these. And I'm using an all beef hot dog, but you can use a hot dog of your choice or even sausage. Now I should mention and grill this as well, but it's cold out, so I don't want to do that right now. Okay, after a few minutes our dogs are cooked through, so I'm just going to kill the heat. And we're going to go ahead and place the hot dogs in the buns. Now you can toast these buns, but I just like them plain. Scoop our super delicious chili over the top. Now I should mention too that you're going to end up with some extra chili, but you can put it in a bowl and have it on a cold day. It's absolutely super. Followed by some old sharp cheddar cheese. And we're going to go ahead and drizzle some yellow mustard over this. This is completely optional, but I like it. Last but not least, garnish it up with some green onions. And again, this is optional, but it just gets that additional flavor and gets that green effect in there. These look so good. And there you have it, guys, our super delicious chili hot dogs. You're going to love these. And just look at these. Aren't they absolutely fabulous? So let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Guys, you've got to make this absolutely incredible. The cheese, the chili, the hot dogs, just great. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.